What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins in agario with a modded version. We're talking a ton of coins. As you can see, I got 19 million, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This works on iPhone and Android. So go to hexmods.com, find the agario, go ahead and press on it, press the download button, and it will start downloading the modded version. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, I've already installed it, but I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So as you can see, it's going to load right here. And basically we need to do a verification as the final step. We need to download some apps and we need to complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free app store surveys to finish installing the mod. So there's usually going to be like 4 apps to pick from. You just press on it, tap to install. It brings you to the app store. You download the app. Now bear in mind, guys, these apps are going to have different instructions. So you can see the Family Island says reach level 10, but then TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. So it's all different. I don't know what to tell you, but I'm in the United States. If you're in another country, they might be completely different. But Family Island right here, reach level 10. That one was pretty easy, so that's the one I went ahead and did. But anyway, guys, after you complete the verification, just go back to this page, and it should say that you're done, and you will have the agario mod, unlimited coins. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super crazy and fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, if you guys are interested in doing agario free coins hack, be sure to try this out because it's super cool. And I'm just trying to be helpful, honestly, but I don't know how you guys feel about this, but I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.